Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the YIKIBOX, and what this is, I'll just kind of put it over here. It's going to be a stand like for the bathroom. So this is what'll go on my bathroom sink, and it will show and have a nice look and feel on it. So this is it here. So this will be sitting on the counter, and I can put my different accessories on it. Like in the bathroom, I would put my like toothbrush and my other things on it here. Actually, I'll put it on this level here because you have the ability, you have that level, and then this thing here opens up. I've had these before, so I know what I'm talking about. And then it has a little section in here, so you can put some things inside of there that you don't necessarily want to see, Q-tips or whatnot ever in there. And then you also have a drawer here with, look at this, it's got, let me take these off of here for right now. And you can see it's got all these different little sections for other stuff. I guess you could put the Q-tips and things into those as well here. So you have all the different areas there. So it's a nice little stand to put in the bathroom. It also had, I saw in here, it's got the little feet for it. So I could sticker the little rubber feet on it so it won't just be that straight on the counter. But how cool is that? So it's a nice little setup here. And so you just put this on the counter and you can do that. You can put it even in the kitchen and have different utensils and spices or something like that on top of it as well. It's a really nice little shelf box here. So it's really good. I like this one here. The decent size here. You could totally fit anything on it. And from the side, it looks like that. And remember, again, this side here opens up for the little shallow box in there. It only goes down partially because you have the drawer that goes in the rest of the way. So super cool little box and fits good on the counter and it'll look really nice. So I like it. Thumbs up.